In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search people in LinkedIn. If you're trying to find a specific person, a potential client, a recruiter, or someone you want to connect with professionally, LinkedIn makes that process pretty straightforward once you know where to look. The key is knowing how to search in a way that gives you the most relevant results without wasting time scrolling through too many profiles. To begin, go to LinkedIn and look for the search bar at the top of the page. This is the main tool you'll use to start your search. In that search bar, type in whatever information you have about the person you're looking for. This could be their full name, their job title, or the company they work for. For example, if you know the person's name, that's usually the fastest place to start. If you don't know their name, using a role or company can still help you find them. After you enter your search and view the results, click on the People tab. This is important because LinkedIn may initially show a mix of results, including posts, companies, jobs, and other content. Selecting the People tab narrows the results so you're only looking at individual LinkedIn profiles. That makes the search much cleaner and easier to manage. If you're still seeing too many results, the next step is to use the All Filters option. This gives you more control and helps you narrow the list based on details you may already know. For example, you can filter by location if you know the city, state, or country where the person works. You can also filter by past companies if you know where they used to work, or by school if you know where they studied. These filters are especially useful when you're searching for someone with a common name. As you apply filters, LinkedIn will update the results to show profiles that more closely match your search. This can save you a lot of time and help you identify the right person more confidently. A good tip here is to start broad, then narrow things down gradually. If you add too many filters too quickly, you might accidentally exclude the person you're looking for. And that's it. To search for people on LinkedIn, use the top search bar to enter a name, job title, or company, switch to the People tab, and then use all filters to refine the results by location, past companies, or school. Once you get comfortable with this process, finding the right people on LinkedIn becomes much faster and much more effective.